this is Jewel with Jewel's Remedies, and this is my recipe for lemon-infused apple cider vinegar with tea tree oil. So I had a recipe where I needed the peels of a citrus. Now this is like a lemon-orange crossbreed from a friend's garden, but I took a medium-sized citrus and then I put it in 3 ounces of apple cider vinegar. And so the oil from the citrus peels can infuse in the apple cider vinegar. You just have to set it in a dark cabinet for about 1 to 2 weeks. And so after that period, you can drain and keep the liquid, toss the peels, and then add equal parts of your toning product. For me, I love Witch Hazel as an astringent. But last step is once you have your equal parts ACV and Witch Hazel is to add the tried and true tea tree oil, also known as melaleuca. So I love tea tree because it has anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antibacterial benefits. I use it in my facial wash. I use it in my toner. I use it in my household cleaning products. And then its most frequent use in our house is for mosquito bites. So I'll use 1 drop of the melaleuca on my 9-year-old's mosquito bites. You can always dilute, but for the mosquito bites, I use 1 drop directly to the bite. And speaking of dilution, when you're making skin preparations like this, the general rule is 10 to 12 drops per ounce of liquid that you're diluting your essential oils in. And because I use tea tree already in my face wash, I will use half that dilution. So I'll use a 1% dilution for my facial toner. And the reason why I like these ingredients in my toner is that I have combination skin. I also have where I have an oily T-zone. So I kind of feel like I need that extra oil fighting, mattifying benefit of these ingredients. And then I also have naturally curly hair, which means sometimes a lot of the product gets into my hairline or behind my ears, and I feel like it's really oily. So I like to go in with the facial toner, even sometimes to refresh my hairline to make sure that oil isn't clogging my pores.